Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about HTML image, how we can add images on our HTML pages. So here are the topics. Number one is the image tag, of course, and then we have source attribute, alt attribute, title attribute, width and height attribute. Then we have two more tags. These are figure tag and fig caption tag. These tags are used to add captions on the images. Let us first create a HTML file. We will name it as image.html. We will add some starter code here with the shortcut, and then we will fix the title. We will have our page today about the planet Mars, so I am naming the title as the Mars Facts. First of all, for the page we will need some text, so I'll copy the text and put it here. Let's try to check the output. So here let us double click on the image.html. So here we have this result page. Does not look very nice. We need to add some images. First of all, add the whole text inside paragraph. So add paragraph tag. Then I am taking another paragraph tag for the images. In order to add image tag, we need the image tag. It is a single tag. It does not have any ending tag. So in order to add image, we need the source attribute. Spelling is like SRC and then equals double quote. Inside we need to add the source. Inside our current folder, we have two images. First of all, we will add the mars.jpg. So in order to do that, we can add it by, first of all, add dot means current folder, then slash. So within the current folder, we will add the mars.jpg, save, and let's check the output, load. So this is the way we can add images on web pages with the source attribute. So here let us add the second image. So add another P. I'll copy the whole thing and paste it here. And here I'll delete this part and add another image, this one, and reload it. So you can see the second image. The question is, if our image is on another folder, what will happen here? So let us create another folder. I'll name the folder as image, and let us move this inside the image. Yes. Now what happens? Let us try to reload. You see, here is a symbol here, which means that there we should have an image here, but somehow the address is wrong, or somehow it cannot display the image. You see, it is showing here, but it says on the inspector that it cannot load the image because our image is not on our current folder, but on another label, on another folder within the current folder. So in this case, this thing can happen even if you have lots of images or your page is very heavy and it is taking too much time to load, and then some images is not yet loaded on time, and you can see this kind of symbol to express that it cannot load the image. In such case, we use the alt attribute. So I shall add an alt here. So the alt is Mars satellite. Let us check the output, reload it. You see, our alt is here. So it is a replacement text for missing image. But let us try to fix the address and let's see what happens. I'll delete this dot slash folder name image slash this image, this one. Save. So reload. Let's check what happens here. The alt attribute is gone. I mean, it is not displaying, but instead we are seeing the image. So you understand what is the role of the alt attribute. Our next topic is how to add images from other websites onto our web page. Here is a website where you can find free images. So you can download this image, free to use. So I'll copy the image address, copy image link. I will add another paragraph and add the image tag and the source is the address. Load. Let us check if we have the image. You see, we have this image, so it is the second one, big one, but we do not need this, so I'll delete. So that is the way you add images from other sources. Okay, now let us talk about image width and image height. So this image is very big. We want to make it smaller so that we can also see the text on our page. So let us fix the width as 300 pixel. So this image looks equal width and height. We will add same amount as height. Height is also 300 pixels. Let us check the result. What will happen if we do the same for the next image? So I shall copy the whole thing here and paste it here. Save and reload. You see, the image is distorted. I want these two images side by side. So what I'll do, I'll remove the ending tag here, starting tag here, save. So both images under p tag. Reload. You see, the right image is distorted, but we want it 300 pixel height. In order to remove this distortion, what I will do is remove one attribute here. So the width attribute, because we want height 300. So save and reload. You see, so what happened? It fixed the height, image width and height proportion. So better strategy is to use only one attribute instead of both, if you do not need to explicitly mention both width and height attributes. Now let us talk about image title. For the first image, we want to add a title. After adding title, we will see the result. So add here title. Suppose we want to add the title, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Copy, paste, save, reload. Now hover over the image. You see the title reveals when you hover over the image. Now we shall discuss how to annotate images with figures and figure captions. So I will annotate the second one, create some space. We will use figure tag and fig caption tag. So first of all, add the figure tag. Okay, so cut the ending tag, paste it here so that image is in the middle. This tag has not any visual effect, but it is the structure to hold image and its caption. Add the second tag, fig caption. Here we will add the caption. So I'll add some caption here from this paragraph. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Okay, save and reload. You see, this is the caption. But why the image moved down? Let us investigate. Let us inspect. So if you hold on figure, you can see that it captures the whole width. So it is a block level element. And then the fig caption, it is also block level element. That is why the second image moves downward. That was all for today. Thank you. See you later.